Hi everyone! If you have ever wanted to create your own online course with lessons, quizzes, and everything in between without spending money, Fox LMS makes it possible. You can build advanced courses, attach quizzes to them, create video and text-based lessons, and manage students, and all for free. Let me show you how it works. So here are the courses we have created with the Fox LMS plugin, all for free. Here you can see some filtering options, like you can filter by course categories, like this. Here you can specify the difficulty levels and filter by them, and you can specify the pricing, like minimum and maximum, and filter by the pricing as well. So let's enroll in any of these courses and check how it looks like on a website. We click on the enroll button here. That's it. So here we'll need to click on the Start Learning button. Here is the first lesson of our course, and the lessons are created with the Gutenberg block, so you can customize them the way you want. Here you can see I have added an image to the lesson, and also what is great is that you can add video tutorials to your lessons, so that the course takers not only can read the content of the lesson, but they also can watch video tutorials for better understanding of the material. We can go for the next lesson. Here we have also added a video here. Also we have added a table. And we have come up to the most important part, is that you can also add quizzes to your courses to check the knowledge of your students and course takers of the past material. You can create advanced quizzes and attach them to the courses, all for free. So let's click on the Start button and start filling out the quiz. Let's quickly pass the whole course to see the result. So let's go to the dashboard and create such an advanced course from scratch together. So here we are on our dashboard, and with the first step we will need to install the free version of the Fox LMS plugin, and for that we go to the plugins page, add new plugin, and here we will search for the Fox LMS. Then click on the install now button and then activate it. So the plugin is already activated, so we can go to the Fox LMS plugin. As you can see, we haven't created any courses yet, so let's create a new one from scratch together. So we'll need to click on the add new button here. Here we will need to write the title. Here we will need to write the title for our course. I have already written the course titles and sections titles here, so we will just need to copy it like this. Then let's construct the structure of our course together. Here on the General tab, we will need to construct the course structure by writing the titles for the sections and lessons. You can add lessons either by clicking on this button or choose from the existing lessons you have already created. And also you can add quizzes to each section of the course. For this video tutorial, we will add lessons by clicking on this plus button. Then we will go to the edit page of the lesson and add the content to each lesson. So let's do this quickly. So we are done. Let's save the changes. As you can see, for this course we have 3 sections with 2 lessons in each section. As I have already mentioned, we will need to add lesson content to each lesson. We can do this in 2 ways. Either we can click here and go to the edit page of the lesson, or we can go to the lessons page where we have access to all the lessons we have created and add the lesson content to each lesson one by one. So let's start from this one. As you can see, the lesson content page is created with the Gutenberg blog, so you can customize the lesson content the way you want. You can add tables, text, videos, audios, etc. So let's paste the first part of the text. Besides adding the text content, we will also add images and video tutorials to the lessons. To add an image to the lesson, we just need to click on this plus button, choose an image from here, and upload your desired image. For example, we will take this one. Here we will choose full size for the best quality and specify the question sizing here. Like this. Let's add the whole text content. For example, we also want to add a video content so that the course takers can watch the video tutorial. And for that, we just choose the place. Then, for example, choose the YouTube embed feature. Then go to the video we want to insert. Here we will choose share button and copy this link. Then go back to the lesson content and enter the URL here and click embed. That's it. The video also is added. So we can save the changes. Let's go and create the second lesson. We click here, and here we will go for the next one. Let's add the whole content and then add video tutorials to the lesson. As you can see, I have also added a table for a better visualization of the lesson content. And let's, for example, add a video tutorial here on this part. We click on a plus button, then choose YouTube embed again. And let's take this video tutorial, for example. We click share and copy the URL, then paste it here and click embed. That's it. We can save this lesson as well. I have already added the lesson content to all the lessons so as not to waste your time. So let's preview our course. Here is our course. Let's check how they look like. We click here. Here is the content, the video tutorial we have added. We can go for the next lesson. Here again the content, the video and the tables. And like this. The Fox LMS plugin perfectly integrates with the Quiz Maker plugin, and you can make an integration and create quizzes and attach them to the courses as well. So we'll need to go to the quizzes. Here you can see that you can install the Quiz Maker plugin right from this page. The free version of the Quiz Maker plugin will be installed, and you can create advanced quizzes and courses all for free. So we will need to click on the install plugin button here. Here we are on a quizzes page of the Quiz Maker plugin. As you can see, the plugin adds one quiz by default so that you can understand how the quiz is structured. And the first step to create a quiz is to create questions to it. So we go to the questions page here. And here you can see again that 3 questions are generated by default so that you can understand the question structure as well. So here we will need to click on the add new button. Here is the question edit page. You can add an image to the question, write the question here, choose the question type from this list. And also here we will need to add the answer options. On the settings tab, you can see the advanced settings to customize the question. We go to the general. Let's add the question and answer options to the question. The correct option is the second one, so we tick it as correct. And we are done. We can save and new. Let's create the second question together as well, but then I will create the remaining questions of the quiz on my own and will display the result so as not to waste your time. The second answer option is correct, so we tick it as correct. And we can save the question. Here you can see I have created all our 5 questions. So let's go to the quizzes page, add a new quiz, and we can name it, for example, quiz 1, as we will add this to the first section of the course. Here we can add a quiz image. We can upload it from our computer. Make sure to choose the full size for the best view. We can insert it into the post. Also here we can add a description for our quiz. Like this. As you can see, we can also have a bold text here and italic view. And here we have come up to inserting the questions. For that we click on the Insert Questions button and choose the 5 questions we have created, and then click on the Insert Questions button. So our questions are added. So we can go to the styles. You can see you can customize the style of the quiz the way you want. And here on the Settings tab, we can hide showing the correct and incorrect answers during the quiz. Then we can enable timer and set, for example, like this value. Here we can go to the result settings. Then we can enable showing question results on a results page so that the course taker can know what score he or she has scored, got for the quiz and the results. Also here we can provide a result message, for example like this. I have used the message variables available here so that the username and quiz name will be displayed on a result page. Like this, message variables will be replaced by the username filled in the information form, and here the quiz title will be displayed. Then we can go to the user data tab, and here we can enable information form to collect information like name and email from the users. That's it. We can save the changes. So our quiz is ready to go. So let's go to the course, personal development course. And here we can add quiz to the first section and select a quiz, for example, quiz 1, then save the changes here and here. That's it. I have also added other quizzes with the help of the Quiz Maker plugin. So let's add another 2 quizzes, for example, like this, and the third one for the third section. And here we can save the changes. So our course is ready to go. Here we can also customize the details of the course. Here you can see the description. You can provide a description for the course if you want. You can set a course duration. For example, I have set 1 hour and 10 minutes. On the settings tab, you can add a course image. I have already uploaded one. You just need to click on the upload button and choose from your media or upload a new one. Here I have chosen the course category. Here you can see the course status as published. You can enable the enroll limit and limit the number of students who can enroll in the course if you want. I haven't ticked it for this course. And here you can specify the difficulty level. And here you can see the WordPress post where the course is inserted. Here, if you are using the Pro version, you can see the analytics for the course, like enroll students, lessons, quizzes, completion rate and count, etc. And here you can see the email tab, which is again available on the Pro version. Here you can send email to students and email to instructors. So once we are done with the course settings configuration, we can save the changes. Then let's preview the created course on the front end. We click on the View Post button here. Here is our course. We can click here. The video tutorial and images. The content is beautifully created. That's it. We can go to the dashboard and discuss the next features the plugin offers. Here we have come up to another powerful and great feature the plugin offers. Besides the possibility to create courses by the admin, the plugin also provides the functionality so that the instructors can register and create courses by themselves. The instructors appear here when they register on the front end. Let's check it out. Here is our course, and here you can see that the instructor registration, user dashboard, user login, and user registration menus are manually added by the plugin. This is for the instructor registration. This is the user dashboard where where both the instructors and students can log in on the front end. Here is the user login and user registration for the functionality so that the instructor can create courses and can appear on the instructors page on our backend. We need to register as an instructor. Let's do this quickly. And here we can click on a create account button. Here we are logged into the dashboard for the instructor on the front end. Let's go to the backend and see how it works on the backend as well. Here we are on the instructors page, and what is great is that the admin must approve the instructors before they can officially appear here and can be approved. So we click on the approve button here. As you can see, the role has been changed to the Fox instructor from the subscriber. Here you can see the instructor's name, email, role, status, and the ID. And by this, the instructors can log into the dashboard and create courses on their own. Let's also check the students page. Here you can see the students page as well. So let's go to the front end, create an account as a student, and see what happens next. Here we will need to click on the user registration button and create an account. So now we will need to enroll in a course so that the student can appear on the students page. So we can go to our course. So here we will need to click on the enroll button. Start learning. Then we can go to the backend and see how the student appeared on our backend. Here is the student, Annie, that has appeared on the students list when the student and the course taker enrolls in a course. And the students have the subscriber user role. So let's click on the details button here to see what it includes. Like enrolled courses, completed courses, in progress courses, total lessons, the username, email, and the registration date. And here you can see what parts of the course the course taker passed. Also, let's go to the front end student account so that we can check what the student can see about the course. And here is the dashboard for the student. Here you can see the enrolled courses, completed courses. Here you can see the quiz attempts, like what quiz the student, the course taker has attempted, questions count, correct answers, incorrect answers, grade, and the results as passed. Then we can go to the courses page, and here you can see the course taker can see the enrolled courses and the completed courses. So that was all about the student user role as well. Here you can see the transactions page, which is a pro feature. This is for the paid courses. When the PayPal integration is enabled, you can see the transactions displayed here. Also here, the plugin offers analytics for the pro users, like the overall count of students, instructors, courses, and the details about the sales, course data, and also the reviews. And here also you can see the reviews part, which is offered by the plugin for the pro users. The students and course takers can provide a review, and you can check them here. And on the general settings page, here we can see some features related to the general courses. Here we can specify the course list table number. Like here we can specify the number of words you can choose for the course title. Here you can see administrator settings like auto enroll into courses, and also you can upload your desired logo here. And here you can enable WordPress navigation menus. By this, the WordPress header and footer will be available on the user dashboard when logged in. Then we can go to the emails page, and here are the emails functionalities, but they are available only in the pro version. You can check them. Also here we have some message variables, student name, site title, earn date, etc. Here you can see the shortcodes for the instructor registration, user dashboard, login, and registration. You can just copy them and insert for either the instructor or user registration or login page. Here you can see the payments page, which is available on a pro version as well. It offers PayPal integration to create paid courses. And on a styles page, you can choose the color palette for your courses. You can either choose from the available options or create a custom one. And on the advanced part, you can hide course includes data on the front end if you want. What is great about the plugin is that it offers a nice and advanced feature to show all the courses you have created in a beautiful way on the website. And for that, you will need to use the Fox LMS course grid feature. To apply this, we go to the post and add a new post. Here we click on this plus button, search for the Fox LMS course grid, like this. Here you can see how beautifully the courses are presented. And here we can add a title, for example, courses. Here you can click and customize how the courses are displayed. You can either choose the grid or list view, like this. We will go for the grid. And here you can see the columns count for the page, for the courses, minimum column width, order by date created, ascending or descending. And here you can specify the minimum and maximum pricings. And we can save it and then check it out on the front end. Here are the courses that are displayed on the front end. So that was all about creating advanced courses and attaching quizzes to them with our Fox LMS plugin, all for free. Thanks for watching us. Bye!